Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update unit tests in iOS with XCTest, complete guide step-by-step. To update unit tests in iOS with XCTest, begin by launching Xcode on your Mac. Open your project by selecting it from the list or using the Recent Projects menu. Navigate to the test target in the Project Navigator on the left-hand side. Locate the existing test file that you need to update. Double-click the test file to open it in the editor. Identify the test methods that require updates. Review the existing assertions to determine what needs to change based on your new code. Modify the test methods to reflect any changes in the business logic or requirements. If necessary, add new test methods to cover any new functionalities. Use the XCTassert functions to validate the expected outcomes in your tests. After updating the tests, ensure that the logic aligns with the current application code. If you added any new properties or methods in your main code, write corresponding tests for them. Consider edge cases and possible failure scenarios for comprehensive test coverage. Run the updated tests by going to the menu bar and selecting Product, then Test. Observe the test results in the Report Navigator, which shows successful and failed tests. If any tests fail, review the error messages to diagnose the issues. Make the necessary adjustments in your application code or test cases based on the failure feedback. Once you're satisfied with the results, it's a good practice to run all tests again for confirmation. Commit your changes to version control, including both the updated tests and any related code modifications. Finally, document any significant changes in your project's README or a dedicated documentation file. This ensures that your team stays informed about what changes were made and why. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.